Imagine running ads but never paying for them. That's what we've built for TikTok Shop brands, a organic, repeatable AI content system that gives you the power of paid ads through organic content at scale. We call it the AI TikTok Velocity System, and we've applied this to multiple brands that we've worked with. And to start, I want to show you some client results just to prove to you that this is effective. Better Brand went from barely any organic presence to 10 million views and $750,000 in sales in just 90 days working with us. So you ever had no content before working with us, then hit 8 million views and generated $350,000 in total revenue in 60 days across Amazon and TikTok Shop. We helped SUU Tribiotics pull 4 million views just last month and increase their sales by 35%. But I get it. If you're still skeptical, here's some testimonials from the brand owners themselves talking to me. You can pause it and have a look. Now that I've proven that we've gotten the views and also the data, these brands didn't scale just by running ads or by posting random TikToks hoping something would go viral. They used strategy, real data-backed strategy at the campaign level. And here's the truth. Most creators you hire aren't marketers. They're probably winging it, posting random content, missing deadlines, reusing basic TikTok templates, sometimes just ghosting you. Sometimes they just want that free product and not even post a single video. Hiring creators can feel like a gamble. It's expensive, it's stressful, it's totally unreliable at times. They don't even have a strategy. They aren't consistent and they don't have a system. And most importantly, they don't have the brand loyalty when you put them onto the brand. They just want the retainer. They just want the commission. Guess what? That leads to lower conversion and zero momentum, no awareness. So no, TikTok Shop isn't broken. The problem is most experienced creators don't care about your product enough to treat it like a real business or to at least give the effort to make a good video out of it. You don't have a product problem. You don't have a content problem. You just have a strategy problem. And let me explain. There are big issues with being a creator, and that's why we've built our TikTok Velocity system to help serious brands plug into a proven, repeatable AI system that delivers consistent reach, engagement, and sales without relying on luck. So these three are our pillars for AI content system, which is the AI avatars that we will be using to replace creators, multi-account content distribution infrastructures for reach, and our funnel stacking system, which will make all of this make sense and convert. With our AI avatars, they are completely copyright free and completely legal to be used on TikTok Shop. They are brand specific personas that talk directly to your target customer, building trust, showcasing benefit, and driving conversions. No expensive creators, no shoot days, no wait time, 100% AI. We deliver 30 times the volume compared to a normal creator at 1/10 the cost and 10 times the effectiveness. Speaking about your product, in every video we publish, we optimize for CTR and retention using converting content planning. And our second pillar is the multi-account content distribution infrastructure. We handle a dedicated number of accounts for your brand, testing multiple angles, styles, and CTAs daily for your brand exclusively. We're not posting other people's brand. These accounts are for you and yours only, doubling your content production. That means more reach, more surface area, faster data collection, higher conversions, massive brand authority, better SEO plus social proof, great for finding winners to run ads on. And with more data that you have, the higher chance of virality. Our philosophy is the more accounts equals more attention equals more revenue. So let us do the testing for you. Our funnel stacking system. We don't just post because views alone don't equal sales. If you're not guiding your viewer through a strategy or a funnel or creating content that converts, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. That's why we create this funnel and create content specific to top of the funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel content. And each type has its own unique mechanism to make sure it functions as a funnel, to make sure these viewers convert to buyers. Every piece of content is engineered to drive your customers to the next step and convert at every level. So let me explain how this works. In our funnel here, let's say this is your brand and they get 1 million views right here. And this right here is only top of the funnel. Mainly with top of the funnel content, it converts 0.14%, meaning million views, you get 1,419 orders. So that's great. You're happy, right? But what if I told you you're missing out on middle funnel and bottom funnel? You're missing an extra 568 orders and 709 orders. You want to optimize for 1 million views and a higher conversion rate. Because now if you add content with middle funnel and bottom funnel that's consistently posting at volume and at scale, those top of the funnel content with your UGC creators or our AI videos, it will drive more conversions, more traffic. Each views will be more valuable because your 1 million views if you add up all of this, top of the funnel, middle funnel, and bottom funnel, your total conversion rate would be 0.25% all the way to 0.39%, nearly a 2x. That would bring your 1,419 orders to 2,554 orders, all the way up to 4,000 total orders per million views. You're making your views more valuable. You would make every piece of content more valuable because you're getting more out of it per million views. Just imagine all the people that abandoned their cart before they purchased. Just imagine the 10% that didn't buy, but then they saw your product. They saw how good it was, but they lacked the urgency. They lacked the information. And that's where the middle funnel and bottom funnel comes in using AI, where we can do it at scale. Because you have the UGC creators. You'll also have AI creators for top of the funnel. But middle funnel and bottom funnel, that can be automated. Here's what you get from us. Dedicated TikTok shop accounts for your brand running daily, managed by us, up to 600 plus converting videos per month, AI avatars that drive clicks and conversions, a full funnel content system that captures and nurtures potential customers, weekly dashboards, live content trackers, and data reviews, a dedicated content team for your brand, a content database for you to repurpose and use for ads or whatever you want, because this isn't a hope goes viral service. This is a high volume, data driven conversion engine built for scale. But again, this only works if your product and offer are already converting. That's why we only work with brands doing 50K a month and have proven angles ready to scale. So I get it. You're probably so skeptical, but we offer a 30-day, no question asked money back guarantee. If you're not happy with our service, you can have your money back. You don't pay. You'd have at least exposure with the content that we post for you. So as simple as that, we want you to perform and make sure that you get the best result possible. And now, the best thing you can do is take action. If you're ready to stop guessing, hiring unreliable creators from the affiliate center, and start scaling your TikTok shop with a predictable, data-driven system, click the link below and book a call now. So when you click it, we can set a time to discuss a strategy for your brand, and we'll walk you through our entire system to see if your brand qualifies and if it's a fit. And if it is, we can start scaling. With that, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side. Take care.